today I'll be picking the Illinois Industrial. It's a padlock. It's got 100% lifetime warranty on this lock. If you can see that. But I gave $5, a little over $5 plus tax for it. It says it has 4 pins. You can see that. It's a 2-inch. It's made in China. I don't know if you can see here, made in China. It's got a lifetime warranty. So let's see if we can open this up. Look at the key. Let's see if we can open it up. I'm going to use a 15 thousandths Peterson pick. I'm going to start in the front of the keyway. Feels like it does have security pins. So. Looks like I'm in a false set. May have overpicked it. I'm going to reset. Let's try a different tension wrench. A lot of sloppiness in. Go to the back of the keyway. And we're open. I don't think it has security pins in it. Just a lot of slop in the keyway there. It don't have the ball bearings. Really easy open. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good day. Well, hey there guys. I just opened this lock up and I forgot to show you that it came with 3 keys. The lock does work. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Kenny, who I bought this lock off of. And he's a really good friend of mine. And thank you. And also, I can see that it has a hardened shackle. It's a 50 millimeter that I've seen. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.